By now, you can play 3 one-octave major scales, starting on the A, the D, and the G. But when we skip notes of a scale and only play the first, third, and fifth notes, that's called a triad. So here's a scale. When we skip the second and fourth note, we have... That's called a triad. When we add a top note, that is the same as the note that we started on, that's called an arpeggio. This is the A major arpeggio. A, C sharp, E, A. A, E, C sharp, and A. Here is the D major arpeggio, up and down. Follow along with the notes. And lastly, here is the G major arpeggio. If you're not sure how to find the notes of an arpeggio, go back to the scale and find the first, third, fifth, and eighth note of the scale. You'll find the arpeggio. Let's play the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat by ear, starting on any open string note. Can you hear the arpeggio? I'll play the song, you read the notes. Here's Row, Row, Row Your Boat in A major. 1, 2, 3, 4.